everyone and welcome back to my channel. Today I am back for another giveaway! Yay! Anyway, yes, I'm back for another giveaway. This is my June giveaway. Oo nga pala, to those of you guys who are asking, I'm using a random app, like random YouTube picker, kasi ayokong maging biased, ayokong ma-cloud yung judgment ko. Kaya I'm using a random comment picker, a YouTube random comment picker, and oo nga pala, please do not spam my channel. Kasi most of the time talaga, may mga subscribers na they spam my YouTube channel. Like, guys, if you comment like 3 or 4 comments, that's okay. Pero if you comment like 30, 50, napupunta siya sa spam ko. So, hindi din yun makikita. And also, the random picker that I'm using is it filters user. So, 1 comment will do per user. Okay na talaga yun, guys. That will save you a lot of energy talaga. Actually, for this month, very simple lang ipapag-giveaway ko. Pero kahit simple ito, mahirap tong i-order, guys. As in, palagi tong sold out. And the one that I'm talking about is this one. This is the CLUTZ Ultimate Beginner's Makeup Brush Set. Parang ganun yung pangalan niya. So, this is the Blend Now, Aura, Later, CLUTZ brushes. So, this is like 10 pieces of brushes. Tapos may free na siya na bag. I got 2 of this. 1 for me and 1 for you guys. So, ito yung mapapanalunan ninyo, guys. And medyo mabaho pa siya kasi nung natanggap ko talaga yung package, talagang sobrang baho niya. I did open it for a day para medyo yung bang maalis yung amoy niya. Pero andyan pa rin talaga kasi hindi ko siya hinugasan. Kasi dapat kung sino yung mananalo, kayo yung dapat may first-hand experience ng CLUTZ brush set para malaman nyo hindi ako nagsisinungaling, talaga mabaho siya. Pero hindi na siya ganun kabaho kasi na-expose na siya dito. So yeah, this is the first thing that you are going to win. And the next product is this one. Syempre, because my brush set ako ipapamigay, so magpapabigay din ako nito. Ito yung ginagamit na panglinis sa brushes. So ayan, para malinisan nyo na ito agad-agad, just use your normal antibacterial na soap and then soak it with your hair conditioner. Okay na yun, ganun lang din yung ginagamit ko eh. So yeah, this is the second and the last thing that you are going to win for this giveaway. So ayan, very simple lang siya. I hope you still like it too. And I hope sasali din kayo. So for the mechanics of this giveaway, very simple lang and easy to follow. Of course, first mechanic is you have to be a subscriber. So please don't forget to subscribe to my channel. Just click that subscribe button down below, that red button down below. And also click the notification bell beside the subscribe button so you will be notified every time I upload a video. So that's the first mechanic. Next mechanic is you have to comment down below. Any comments will do. And you have to include your Instagram and Twitter usernames with this emoji, guys. So that's the second mechanic. You have to comment down below. Any comments will do with your Instagram and Twitter usernames with this emoji, and then you're entered. Third mechanic is you have to follow me on all of my social media platforms. First, you have to like my Facebook page. That's Faith Mikiabas. Second and the third is you have to follow me on my Twitter and Instagram. So that's JFaithy25. I'm going to flash it on the screen. That's JFAITHEY25. And then, so yes, yun lang yung mechanic. Guys, I'm very, very meticulous. Like, I check everything talaga kapag nag-follow kayo sa mechanic kasi unfair naman doon sa mga nagpa-follow talaga. That's it for our giveaway this month. I know it's simple, but I hope you like it and I hope a lot of you will enter this giveaway too. So, ayun lang guys. I'll see you in my next video. Thank you for watching. God bless everyone. Mwah!